Hello everyone, I am Mariat Iksha Aldison. I'm here to talk about the Chocolate Hills Natural Monument, located in the town of Carmen, Batuan, and Sagbayan, Bohol. These natural wonders were submitted for recognition on May 16, 2006 in the natural category by the Department of Environment and Natural Resources or DENR, Protected Areas and Wildlife Bureau. Welcome to the Chocolate Hills, a place where nature artistry meets the serenity of the Philippine landscape. The Chocolate Hills are an extraordinary geological formation comprising over 1,776 mounds of grass cover limestone. These hills, resembling chocolate kisses, rise abruptly from the surrounding plains and vary in height from 30 to 50 meters. They are popular tourist destination, celebrated for their stunning landscape. It has been declared the country's third national geological monument on June 18, 1988 in recognition of its scientific value and geomorphic uniqueness. The Chocolate Hills meet several crucial criteria for UNESCO World Heritage recognition. They are a natural wonder with significant geological, ecological, and cultural value as a prime example of karst landscape formation. They provide a habitat for various endemic species. The hills hold cultural importance for the local communities who have incorporated them into their folklore and traditions. The Chocolate Hills would likely fall under the natural criteria for UNESCO World Heritage recognition. This includes natural beauty, ecological value, cultural significance. Natural beauty, the Chocolate Hills are an outstanding example of a natural landscape with unique geological formation. And ecological value, the hills provide a habitat for various endemic species and contribute to the region's biodiversity. And cultural significance, the hills hold cultural importance for the local communities and an integral part of their folklore and traditions. The potential challenges. Despite their beauty and significance, the Chocolate Hills face several challenges. Environmental threats such as quarrying, illegal logging, and tourism-related activities can damage the natural landscape. There is also a need for increased awareness and education about the importance of preserving the Chocolate Hills. To address these challenges, several preservation strategies are proposed: strict regulations, community involvement, education and awareness, sustainable tourism. Strict regulations, implementing and enforcing strict regulations to prevent harmful activities. Community involvement, engaging local communities in conservation efforts and promoting sustainable tourism practices. Education and awareness, conducting educational campaign to raise awareness about the importance of preserving the Chocolate Hills and their ecological and cultural value. And sustainable tourism, developing sustainable tourism practices that minimize environmental impact and promote the conservation of the hills. By recognizing the Chocolate Hills as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, we can protect this natural wonder for future generations to enjoy. It is crucial to join efforts in preserving the beauty, biodiversity, and cultural heritage of the Chocolate Hills.